have to make things ugly. You have to make them work on both ends of the court. Harke, Ancheta on the catch and shoot, and Ancheta knocks it down.
Sabi lang, Ancheta, hindi lang ako pang final quarter. Bibigyan ko kagad kayo. Ganito ka-importante itong game namin na to.
Picking up where he left off against the Red Lions. Here he is. He got the board. Forward pass. Balik sa kanya dito. Sanchez with a quick spin. Justin Sanchez. Harke will attack. Harke scores on the lay. Forward matchup at the wing. Ancheta to Oli. Ancheta chooses to fire. Second triple down and good for Joel Ancheta.
Parang titignan mo, gusto na nilang pumunta kay Liwag eh. Kaya lang nagko-collapse, nagkakaroon ng mga open shots. Open na open yun para kay Ancheta.
And this puts less pressure now on Liwag when Ancheta is scoring like this. Paligay Ancheta from the same spot. This time it's off the heel. Cunanan forward pass. Bravo with the catch. JM puts it up and in.
That's their strength. Dapat yun talagang puntahan ng LPU. They need to push the ball. And ito, kailangan naman guluhin nila yung structure ng plays ng CSB.
Talagang ayaw nilang pahawakin ang bola si Liwag. Ito na si Allen. Take out. Sanko catch and shoot. Sanko drops it in. So the Blazers are hot from the outside. That is their third triple. Yeah.
Malaking bagay na tumatama ngayon ng CSB from the outside. Mamaya magkakaroon na naman ng space si Allen dun sa paint na yan.
Against San Beda, they were also solid from long distance. 9 triples for this Benil team. They go to Allen Liwag. He surveys the floor once more. Liwag, baseline drive. That's going to be a push on Aviles.
Actually, yung pinakamagandang gagawin talaga ng LPU is to collapse. Ngayon, kailangan nila mag-locate naman sa shooters. Talagang habulin nila yung i-challenge nila yung mga outside shots na yan.
Ating galaw kanina ni JM Bravo and then Allen Liwag breaking the zone. And the zone buster provided by Mark Sanko. And Ato Barba, our second leading scorer of the league. Kasama si JM Berzosa. Ato Barba is on the move. Ato Barba wasting no time.
Kakapasok lang. 2 points agad.
And let's check out this play. Ato Barba with the alertness to get the ball, and he finished it all the way. His struggles continue from the outside. Hasn't quite found the groove again. Ian Torres releases. No go. Allen Liwag against the 3 defenders. Puts it up and in.
Wala na siyang chance doon sa rebound na yun, no? Yung length. Grabe talaga athleticism na itong taong to.
Allen Liwag dealing damage here in the first. He's got 4 points already as Ato Barba knocks down the triple.
In your face 3.
And he likes that. Yung mga face-up 3 na yan. 6 points now in the game for Ato. Torres. Back on top. Morales. High-arcing 3. Rattles home for John Morales.
Talaga hindi sila pwede mag-focus sa defense on Liwag lang eh. Even their 4 can really stretch the floor.
Here's Ato Barba. Another one here. Oh, Barba! Back-to-back hits from the outside. Perfect start for Ato.
Pero wala pa rin emotion si Barba, no?
Focused. Inot misses. Berzosa flies in. Here comes LPU. Barba aatakihin si Inot. He will back up. Barba decides to shoot. Oh, why not? Hit check. He's still hot.
Mainit. Mainit ang first quarter ni Ato Barba.
4 out of 4 from the field. Biggest advantage for LPU so far. Torres will wait. They can go for the final shot here. Ian Torres still has it. Oh, Backlog with a steal. Guadagna goes all the way. And the Pirates finish strong in the first, right behind the 12 points off the bench, or off the bench from Ato Barba.
Game. Balik sa inyo, Martin Coach Ross.
Thanks, Aliyah. Well, we're seeing that here as Ian Torres nails the triple from the corner. Coach Gilbert Well, they'll use their main strength here, which is their quickness against the Blazers. Yun naman yung plano ni Coach Charles. Tapatan yun dito sa laban na to.
Tinatapatan niya ngayon yung matchup, yung speed ni LPU with a small lineup also.
Backload catch and shoot. Guadagna finds the bottom of the net. That is his first triple of the game.
Kagandahan lang sa LPU. Si Barba, akala mo sa labas lang yan, kaya rin niya pumunta sa poste. So pwede niya i-take advantage ng small lineup ng Binild.
Anton Eusebio will be fouled here by Kyle Montaño. But how about the LPU Pirates continuing what they did in the first? Ian Torres first, knocking it down from deep. And then the Pirates executing the spray to Guadagna.
Ganda yung ginawa.
Every defensive scheme, different defensive schemes thrown at him this year. Pero ito na siguro yung pinakahirap siya talaga makakuha ng bola.
Si Aviles, ang bigat din ni Aviles kung titinan mo eh. Tapos papunta siya sa cross-pick, binagabangga pa siya nila Barba.
And speaking of Barba, Ato Barba is still feeling it.
5 threes.
Wow, 18 points in the first half for Ato. Still perfect from the field. Largest lead for the Pirates. Liwag scores!
Apat na yung nakapaligid kay Liwag eh, pero talagang ang hirap bantayan ito ni Allen.
4 points now for Allen Liwag. Renz Villegas, his turn to operate. He's got the bigger Sanchez on him. Bravo from the left elbow, knocks it down.
Parang di nagpahinga si Bravo.
Yeah. Second basket of the game for J.M. Bravo. And LPU is just cruising here in the first half. Tony Inot will attack. They send it out. Torres from the top of the key. Left it short. And Ato Barba gets it. Forward pass. Renz Villegas behind the back. Bravo! With a finish on the fast break. Showtime play for LPU. Timeout, Coach Charles. It is the largest lead for the Pirates here in the first half. Back to the coverage. And it is LPU surging here in the first half. Barba continues his hot start. Allen Liwag scores on the counter here off the glass. And how about J.M. Bravo? 2 consecutive baskets for the Pirates. One off the elbow. And off this short behind the back pass by Renz Villegas. He finishes on the break. Para sa LPU.
Pinasok na si Ancheta. Tingnan natin kung merong effect yung pag-field din sa kanya.
Allen Liwag backing down, scores with a left hand.
Hirap nun ha, left hook. I think that's the weaker hand, pero makikita.
By Bravo. Oh, Villegas. That one was deflected by Sanko. Here comes Binild. Ancheta finishes. A 4-0 answer. Oh, driving, difficult take. He gets it back. Joman chooses to attack as well. Outs it up and in. 10 points now for Ancheta.
Actually, ganun din ang ginagawa ni Coach Gilbert. Very unpredictable kasi yung rotation ni Coach Gilbert. Yeah. Sa mga mahirap scout na rotations.
Justin Sanchez inside. So that is the first field goal for Sanchez today. Lead is down to 10.
Kailangan mas maging aggressive si Sanchez ngayon.
Montaño misses badly. Liwag is hounded. Oh, Barba out of nowhere gets the steal.
Anticipation, ano?
Ato Barba saw that from almost at the half-court mark. 20 points now for Ato Barba. On a perfect 6 out of 6 from the field.
Nasa first half pa lang tayo.
Correct. At meron pa tayong 90 seconds na nanalabi. Cometa from the corner. Cometa knocks it down.
Hindi mo pwedeng bigyan si Cometa ng ganong ka-open na tira. Automatic na sa kanya yan.
Ito ang Binild. Unti-unti. Hindi isang buhos. Unti-unti. Binababa ang lamang ng LPU. Ato surveys. 7 to shoot. Barba. Backs down. Barba. Yes! He is still perfect. 7 out of 7 from the field.
Paano mo babantayan si Barba, no? He can shoot from those threes and he can post you up.
Yeah.
Mahirap.
22 first half points for Ato Barba. Liwag offensive board. Allen Liwag up and in +1.
That's their biggest problem. Liwag.
At mukhang kailangan na mag-iba ng game plan dito ni Coach Gilbert as we see these last plays. Ato Barba out of nowhere. Ginulat si Ancheta. Sumundot sa likod. But Benilde executing offensively. Gabby Gometa left open at the corner. Barba just willing his team to this 9-point lead. But Allen Liwag, this is now becoming a problem for LPU. Dahil matagal na stretch si JM Versosa yung bumabantay kay Liwag, which is of course a few inches shorter. Or who is a few inches shorter than Liwag.
Yes, and nakita natin yung adjustment sa weak side. Every time na dumodouble ngayon sila kay Liwag, nandun yung mga cross-court passes, na-open yung mga 3 points na yan. Dalawa na yan kay Gometa.
5-point stretch for Benilde. And they're back within 6. What a climb for the Blazers. Hand off to Guadagna. Naghahanap ng papakay-sunog ang LPU. Guadagna chooses the 3. Short. 10 seconds remaining here in the first half. Here is Liwag down the middle. Liwag lays it up and in. And Benilde standings and going into the final 4. If LPU wins, they secure number 4 and will eliminate
in the way that they play for today's game. During the halftime break, Coach Charles Yu asked of his team to play excellent defense, take care of the ball, and capitalize on their size. Dagdag pa ni Coach Charles, I want to win this game and I hope you want it as much as I do. So let's see if the TAP squad's renewed spirit can help them fight and rise as one to secure this victory. That's all from courtside. Back to you, Martin Coach Charles.
Well, Aliyah, Benilde has fought their way back in this one. From 16 points down in our second quarter, they're now back in front, 47-46. Ito si Mark Sampo, yung nakakuha ng 3 kanina. Aviles, mid-range J is good. So LPU, just like that, is back in front.
Laking bagay yung puntos ni Aviles na yun, na-break na yung run ng Benilde Blazers.
It's tit for tat now here in the third. Jomel Ancheta, closely eyed by Villegas. Ancheta thought about it. Cross-court pass here. Sanko, balik sa labas. Shot clock winding down. Ancheta, oh! Beats the buzzer.
Alam niya talaga kung kailan siya mag-step up, no? Alam niya.
Third triple for Ancheta. 13 points in the game. Pocket pass here, and Aviles with back-to-back baskets.
Maganda. Good execution doon sa ball screen offense na yun.
This is only our second deadlock of the game, 50 apiece. 3 minutes gone here in the third. Both teams doing a great job in preserving their fouls as well. Sanchez, no, difficult shot for Justin Sanchez. Here is Renz Villegas. He races the other way. Villegas supposed to trigger. Too quick. Panik sa kanya. Reload. Yes!
Yan yung mga naririnig mo sa coach na no, yes!
Yeah. Ancheta. Baseline move. Sanchez almost stolen. Liwag off the bank.
Ang ganda ng adjustment sa defense ng Benilde Blazers kay Barba. Every time na nasa ball screen, nakikita natin yung length nila. Kaya nilang bumantay kay Barba ngayon. Mahahaba yung nilagay nilang defender ngayon kay Barba.
Yeah. 14 puntos para kay Liwag. Justin Sanchez races the other way. And the Blazers are back ahead. Blazers. And just playing honest defense at the half court. Sanchez, nalibre sa ilalim.
Ang ganda ng basa ng Benilde Blazers to, no?
So now the Blazers open up a 4-point lead. Their biggest so far. 57-53. Naiwanan na ang LPU. How will they counter? Daileg spins, takes, and gets the bounce.
Kailangan na kailangan nila yung scoring ni Dailig. He needs to be more aggressive this time.
First 2 points since the first quarter for Dailig. Ancheta pulls the trigger. Off the back iron. It is with Villegas. 3 on to LPU, doesn't have the numbers. Guadagna fakes it. One dribble pull-up is good for Maclod. 4 unanswered now for LPU. We're back to square one, 57 apiece. 7 puntos na para dito kay Maclod Guadagna. Tony Inot, silent in the game. Inot has the Ileg on the switch. Inot, boom! Breaking his silence with that triple.
Harapan yun, ha? May defense in front.
4 points for Tony, first field goal after going 0 out of 3 in his first shots. Renz Villegas. That was a quick drive and he finishes with the left.
Tama ngayon na natin. He's getting aggressive. Pagdating ng third, ang hirap na na. Right to left finish. Tama ngayon.
Inot. Pocket pass. Masyado malakas para kay Liwag. Here's Ato Barba. Barba going coast to coast.
Very composed, no?
10th lead change. Barba, his first 2 points in the second half. Sanchez. Liwag has Versosa. Liwag will bully his way to the rim, but a foul on the floor. Coach Gilbert was actually looking for the offensive foul, and Maclod Guadagna with a one dribble pull up here. Tony Inot, gutsy shot as the shot clock was winding down para dito sa Binial. Pero si Renz Villegas nagsisimula na. Started to make some noise again. Ato Barba, unstoppable on the break. LPU ahead by 1. Pometa, pocket pass. Sanchez secures this one off the window.
It's really hard to design a defensive scheme doon sa lineup ng St. Benilde.
Yeah, a lot of players can manufacture points and create their own shots. Ito si Ato Barba. Guadagna blowing by. Maclod to the cup.
Good attack by Guadagna.
Nagbabalik. Maclod Guadagna. Stops. Pulls back. And they go to JM here against Morales. Bravo. His turn to back down. Carving space. What a move.
Kita nila, wala na si Liwag. Wala ng rim protector. They're going inside right now.
Talagang as soon as Liwag leaves the court,
Nagliwanag yung mata nila inside the paint.
mas guminhawa ang buhay para sa LPU. Matthew Ollie straight away. No. Nakagawa niya magkakampi. Ball is loose. It stays with Benilde. Tignan natin to. JM Bravo. Left on an island. Binura si Morales. And he scores that one off the glass.
Bigat din. Lumapad actually yung pahinga ni Bravo. Lumapad siya, no?
Context. Dito sa laban natin. If LPU wins, they get into the Final Four officially as Bravo scores the opening basket of the fourth. If Benilde wins,
Kaya nga question din yan, yung stamina niya, no? Kung tatagal talaga siyang up to the fourth.
oh! Nutmeg! Going to the cup for Maclod Guadagna!
Highlight, no?
Wow! Pulling that one off in a crucial game. 69-62. Liwag. Surveys. Cometa. 4 to shoot. Sanchez. 2 to shoot. Sanchez runs into a wall.
Good stop. Oh, good stop.
And they run out of clock as well. We have to watch this move by Maclod. Going between the legs of Mark Sanko. A nutmeg move. And blowing by him.
Ganda, no?
For the open lay.
Para gawin mo nga yun sa must-win game, no? Iba yung kumpiyansa mo.
Pati siya natawa eh. 69-62. Greg tried to split the D.
Hindi masikip yun, no? Pero alam naman natin, once na pumasok si Greg Cunanan dyan, mag-abang na yung shooter sa labas.
Ito, coach. Ito mo.
Sarap ulit-ulitin eh, oh.
Oh, wow! And for you to be able to execute that, kailangan fully committed ka, tsaka mabilis. Para hindi makarecover yung kalaban. Kita natin, as soon as pinalapit kay kakampi niya, pinake out na eh.
Oo.
Pinapunan niya doon sa gitna.
Tsaka ready ka pagalitan. Pagalitan ng coach pag
Kumites. Oo, yan. Atake.
Oo, kakatakot eh. Pag nakita mo si Liog, mag-iiba talaga tira mo eh.
Ah, ito, Barba! Hey, cold wow. 3. 27 points.
Barba,
Oo,
tingnan
pwede.
natin.
Pwede rin Villegas. Hasn't been his day. What a
Versosa
feed!
pala.
Versosa gets activated of a great setup job by
yung
Villegas.
attack ni Villegas doon, ano?
Torres! No! Long board. It goes to LPU. So Coach Charles cannot challenge. Here's the find. Pocket pass.
Ano? Ganda ng pasa na yun.
Nakita nila kasi napataas nila si Liwag eh.
Time kasi na si Liwag eh, nasa loob lang ng paint. Naka-ready siya dyan sa for blocks and rebounds.
Yeah, eto siya. Laying it up and in. Ancheta has Benil's backcourt. Inod, Sanchez, Liwag, and their front line. Inod. Inod! Got it! Big three for Tony Inod. And the lead has been cut down to 5. Best day offensively for Tony Inod. But again, this is a battle-tested player. Nailing a shot when it matters the most. This one to cut the lead down to 5 points.
Hindi sila pwedeng umander kay Inot, no? Talagang kahit natahimik to, pag binigyan nila ng nakaamoy ng dugo to si Inot, eh, delikado sila dyan.
Fourth, Liwag tracks it down. Goes to the other side, Ancheta, kaboom!
Sakit no, nilang offensive rebound ang binigay ng LPU.
Wow! Benil's energy and relentless nature paying off. It is a one-possession game as we head to the final 2 minutes. Villegas makes it
Kaya
5.
pala siya nasa loob, you know? Sinagot na yung question natin. Actually, si Guadagna nandun na sa ano, nasa sideline na.
Pwede na. Jomel inside the final 2 minutes. Ancheta, yes! And the foul for Jomel Ancheta.
Rookie ba yan, Martin?
Oo nga eh.
Ha? Grabe.
Tapos madalas pa siya magpakita pag crunch time na. Look at this drive. Offhand. No problem. Ancheta.
Grabe yung control niya ron, ano? Weak hand na yun, ha? Left niya. Feeling ko yun ang weaker hand niya.
Yeah.
Pero the way na kinontrol niya, i-finish niya yung basket.
That's why you cannot count out Benilde until the very end. Jomel Ancheta kicks it out. Cometa! Kaboom! Gab Cometa cuts the lead. Ito na. Jomel brings it across. Ancheta drives. Ancheta nowhere to go. Throws it away. Villegas is on the move all the way. NLPU is back in front by 3. 13.2 left. Coach Charles Chu will set things up. Seconds. Ancheta, nowhere to go. Went to Villegas, and this guy just took care of business on the other end.
Grabe yung finish ni Villegas doon, ano? Eh, ang hirap nun, dalawa, magkabila, merong humahabol sa'yo.
Wow! And this is why you trust Renz Villegas. Kahit nagsa-struggle siya sa laban natin.
Oo, kaya
Diba?
nga, pinag-uusapan natin, bakit wala si Barba?
Yan. Struggle si Villegas, pero siya yung nakapasok sa crunch time.
Yes, ang tanong ngayon dito, anong play ang gagawin ni Coach Charles? Is it a quick 2 or go
13.2 left. Liwag has it.
Sinasarado nila yung 3 points.
Inot, inside pass, Liwag scores and a foul! A 3-point play opportunity for Alan Liwag. And an opportunity to tie the game at the free throw line.
Challenge ngayon yung free throw, skill ni Liwag. Pagod na pa si Liwag o kumbaga kailangan mentally prepared pa rin siya dyan.
How about Tony Inot? Heads up play to find Liwag underneath to go for the easier shot. Napaganda pa para sa Benilde. It's a continuation. Liwag today, 2 out of 3 from the free throw line.
Ganda ng basa ni Inot doon, no?
Yeah.
Kasi matutokso ka ng kunin yung 3 points na yun, knowing na they're leading by 3.
Yeah. Ito si Allen Liwag in the season. Inot will throw. Here we go. Inot. Liwag for the win. Short.